Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online language lessons. As you may know, at the moment we're currently hosting here in North London a Ukrainian woman who's had to flee from Kharkiv because of the war, and her son, Sasha, who's 6 years old. Now, Sasha generally loves playing with our cats. We've got 3 different cats. And for 2 of these cats, this isn't a problem at all. They both love the attention, they like the extra strokes that they get. But with one of our cats, the oldest one, a cat called Peanut, things are a bit more problematic. Peanut's quite wary of people, and particularly wary of small children. She can be quite nervous around people. And time again, we've warned Sasha not to try and stroke her because she doesn't always react well to this. Yesterday, he tried, again, for the 1000th time, and got scratched quite badly on the hand. Once he'd calmed down and we'd dressed the little wound, I did say to him, "Sash, that'll teach you to mess with Peanut." If you say that'll teach you to do something, you basically are saying, let this be a warning to you. Let this serve as a lesson to you. We use that'll teach you to, usually when something bad has happened to someone because they've done something a little bit foolish. So, you might complain about the fact you got a ticket for speeding while you were driving. Your friends might react with no sympathy whatsoever and say, hey, that'll teach you. It's been a long time coming. You deserve it. Actually, also, this morning in class, one of my students asked, so what's happening now in this stage? What do you want us to do? I'm going to volunteer you to actually do the next part of the lesson. That'll teach you to ask difficult questions. Let this be a warning to you. Let this serve as a lesson. If you've enjoyed this video, please click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of times when you could have said, that'll teach you to